Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi ta'ala wabarakatuh. So on this video, I'm going to present to you my paper in an ECM format. So this paper entitled IoT-based intrusion detection and recognition with alert management system for Sulu State College and Extension campus. So this is the abstract of this study. So this paper presents an Internet of Things or IoT-based intrusion detection and recognition system with alert management for the Sulu State College and Extension campus. The system utilizes a network of sensors and cameras to continuously monitor the campus for signs of intrusion, such as unauthorized access or suspicious behavior. Machine learning algorithms are then used to analyze the data collected by sensors and cameras in real time, enabling the system to identify potential threats. If a potential threat is detected, the system sends an alert to security personnel, allowing them to respond promptly and effectively. The alert management system also provides security personnel with the location and potential of the potential threat as well as the relevant video footage, so enabling them to quickly assess the situation and take appropriate action. So this system has the potential to significantly improve the security of the Sulu State College and Extension campus and could be easily adapted for use at other educational institutions or other types of facilities. This study, I will use a waterfall methodology approach. And this also use a combination of research methods to explore the benefits and challenges of implementing the IoT or Internet of Things based intrusion detection and recognition system with alert management at the Sulu State College and Extension campus. The specific methods I will use includes interviews, site visits, data analysis, cost analysis, and technical analysis. So this is the introduction. The Internet of Things refers to the interconnected network of physical devices, vehicles, buildings, and other objects that are embedded with sensors, software, and network connectivity, allowing them to collect and exchange the data. IoT technology has the potential to innovate a wide range of industries, including the healthcare, transportation, agriculture, and security. IoT security is an ongoing research topic that is attracting increasing attention in academic, industrial, as well as governmental research. Many organizations worldwide and multinational corporations are involved in the design and development of IoT-based systems. The security of education institutions is of paramount importance, as they are often targeted by the intruders seeking to disrupt still valuable resources, and one of the key applications of the IoT technology is in the field of intrusion detection and recognition. So by using sensors and other devices, it is possible to monitor for potential security threats and alert relevant personnel to take action. So this can include detecting intrusions into buildings or other secure areas, as well as organizing suspicious activities or behavior. So an Internet of Things based intrusion detection recognition system with alert management system can be a valuable tool for improving the security at the Sulu State College and Extension campus. With the increasing number of security threats, it is important to have a reliable and effective system in place to detect and respond to potential intrusions. IoT technology allows for the integration of a variety of sensors and devices that can detect and alert up to potential threats. This may include motion sensors, camera system, and other devices. The system can be configured to send notification to relevant personnel when an intrusion is detected, allowing for a timely response to the threat. Finally, I will develop a detailed plan for implementing the system, including the selection and configuration of sensors and devices, and the development of a system for alert management, and also consider the potential impact on security and the overall effectiveness of the system. So through this capstone project, I hope to provide a comprehensive analysis of the benefits and challenges of implementing the IoT-based intrusion detection and recognition system with alert management system at the Sulu State College and Extension campus. The purpose of this study is to design and implement an IoT-based intrusion detection and recognition system for Sulu State College and Extension campus. The system was developed to improve security on campus by detecting and alerting authorities to unauthorized access or activity. So for research problem, how can an Internet of Things IoT-based system be designed and implemented to improve security at the Sulu State College and Extension campus by continuously monitoring the campus for signs of intrusion, analyzing data in real time to identify potential threats, and alerting security personnel to respond promptly and effectively? So these are the related works of this study. So Casey stated that the main purpose of an intrusion alarm system is to protect from burglary, vandalism, property damage, and of course, the security of an individuals inside the buildings. And also in a study conducted by the University of North Carolina uh, at Charlotte Department of Criminal Justice and Criminology found that the bul- burglars try to determine if a house has an alarm system before attempting a home invasion. And one of the most widely used parts of an IoT is integrating in a home security. The IoT increases the ability to control and monitor all the operations occur at home. Home security is an essential part of today's world, especially with all the technology's advancements. Traditional systems detect the intrusion but not the intruder. The systems can be easily fooled by using physical props, and the objective of this work is to enhance the current security system to detect the identity of the intruders digitally, which can later be used by authorities to trace them easily. So this in turn gives a clues about the importance of constructing and advancing electronic security system. So in 1996, the Access Communications released its centralized IP camera for the first time. That camera had some development through the team that consisted of Martin Green and Carl Axel. That development started with using custom web server internal to camera, then embedded Linux, and finally HTTP and real-time streaming protocol. So for the methodology of this study, so this study will use a waterfall development methodology. So waterfall approach was the first SDLC model to be used widely in software engineering to ensure success of the project in the waterfall. So in the waterfall approach, the whole process of software development is divided into separate phases. So in this waterfall model, typically the outcome of one phase acts as an input for the next phase or sequentially. So it starts with the requirement analysis, system design, implementation, testing, deployment, and also maintenance for the system. So this study will also use a combination of research method to explore the benefits and challenges of implementing an IoT or Internet of Things based intrusion detection and recognition system with alert management system at the Sulu State College and Extension campus. The specific method I will use includes the interviews. I will conduct interview with the relevant personnel such as the security personnel, IT staff, and campus administrators to gather information about the current security measures in place and potential benefits and challenges of implementing the IoT system. Also, as site visits, I will visit the campus to observe the current security measure and identify areas where an IoT system could be most effectively implemented. This will help us to understand the specific security needs of the campus and how an IoT system could address those needs. And also data analysis, I will analyze data on security incidents and breaches at the campus to identify patterns and trends that may be addressed by an IoT system. I will also analyze data on the cost and effectiveness of current security measures to compare them with the potential benefits and challenges of an IoT system. The next is cost analysis. I will conduct a cost analysis to evaluate the feasibility of implementing an IoT system at the campus, including the initial cost of purchasing and installing the sensors and devices, as well as ongoing maintenance and support costs. The next is technical analysis. I will also conduct a technical analysis to evaluate the feasibility of implementing an IoT system at the campus, including the required infrastructure and availability of technical expertise to support the system. So by using these research methods, I hope to gather a comprehensive understanding of benefits and challenges of implementing an IoT-based intrusion detection and recognition with alert management system at the Sulu State College and Extension campus. So to design the system, I conducted a thorough analysis of the campus layout and identified key points of interest, such as entrances, exits, and restricted areas. We also conduct a risk assessment to identify the types of threats that the system should be able to detect. Based on this analysis, I selected a range of sensors and cameras to be installed at the strategic location on campus. And these sensors and cameras were connected to a central server which was used to analyze the data and identify potential intrusions or suspicious activity. An alert management system was also developed to notify authorities or security personnel about any potential threats, and the system was integrated with existing security systems such as access control system and alarms. So those are the methodologies for this research. So we'll move into the data gathering procedure. So we have here a sensor, cameras, and the user input. So for sensors, a network of sensors could be installed around the campus to detect movement, variations, changes in temperature, and other indicators of potential intrusion. These sensors could transmit data back to the central server or cloud-based system in real time. The next is a camera used as a data gathering procedure. So video cameras could be installed around the campus to provide visual coverage and allow security personnel to access or to assess potential threats. And these cameras could transmit video footage back to the central server or cloud-based system in real time. The next is a user input. Security personnel could be equipped with devices such as smartphones or tablets that allow them to report potential threat or suspicious activity directly to the alert management system. So that's all for my presentation for the IoT based intrusion detection and recognition with alert management system at the Sulu State College and Extension campus.